When you hear a siren, immediately go inside and find out more information. Where can I look for this information after a siren sounded?
That could be TV, radio, city website, social media from city pages.
Where do I find shelter in my own home?
Is on the first floor an innermost room, such as a closet or a bathroom that has a lot of structure around it.
What should I bring with me when seeking shelter?
Mattresses, pillows, blankets, and so on. A radio so that you can get weather reports, water, and potentially snacks